Good morning everyone! Good morning guys!
Good morning.
Today is our final day here in Calgary sa pagpunta sa temple. Ngayon po ang aming last temple trip.
Today. And it's a very special day because Sarah and Amon are going to be endowed.
Yes. Ngayon po ang kanilang own endowment.
Yeah.
So, our journey here in Canada for this time around, it will end this coming week. Okay?
Thursday.
So, ayan. So, we're going to the temple. So, we are so blessed with the love of our family dito sa Canada. Sina Kuya Vlad, Ate Jing, the Ligo family. Maraming salamat po. Kay Ate Vitaly.
We had a farewell party
Yes.
with friends. Of course, with family and friends.
Yes, kay Ate Vitaly, thank you very, very much po for everything. Especially sa mga financial support. Kuya Vlad, Ate Jing. And of course,
Lola Mel Grace.
kay Ate Grace, maraming salamat po. PJ and Flora May De Leon family, thank you again sa inyo pong napaka overwhelming support, both financially, spiritually, and the experience. Siguro pinakamakon dito yung challenges dahil wala kaming sasakyan. They are very patient enough, right?
No, we learned resilience
Yeah.
and patience.
Yeah, they are
Resilience sa cold.
yeah, they are very patient enough na ihatid kami kung may mga family gatherings dito sa bahay. Though every day kami ay nagko-commute, it's still a blessing kami nga. Ang wife ko kanina is we learn patience and resilience. Kasi iba po dito sa Canada kasi hindi kagaya sa Pilipinas na anytime paglabas mo may tricycle. Dito po may designated na oras. Kung minsan nalilate din sila ng 30 minutes. Sometimes naghihintay pa kami ng 1 hour pag nag-off na yung mga bus. So iba talaga dito sa Calgary, sa Canada, no? And we're so happy today na medyo inihingal pa, no? Blessing kasi guess what? Ngayon po ang temperature ay 1, right?
Or
1. No? Pero last week it's -15. So truly it's a blessing. Okay? Tatawid muna kami guys. Ito, tumatawid kami dito as you can see. Yan, tumatawid kami. Yan. So wala nang mga sasakyan. Ang kagandahan dito sa Canada, dito sa Calgary, priority ang mga pedestrian. So pag may tumatawid, titigil ka agad po yung mga sasakyan. We do hope na sana ganyan din sa atin, no? Pag may tao na sa gilid ng kalsada, mag full stop. Dito nagpo full stop talaga sila. And they are very strict to follow yung traffic rules. Kagaya niyan, kita nyo, may yield mark. So mag-yield talaga sila kung hindi mo right of way. Yan. So ito, wala pa po itong mga to nung dumating kami dito. Itong construction na to. Pero ngayon nakatayo na, almost done na. Probably sa susunod na pagbalik namin ay buong buo na tong community na to. Tapos na yung Tim Horton. No? So may mga groceries dyan na itatayo. And siguro pagbalik namin dito ay tapos na rin yung bagong library doon sa papuntang Walden or Legacy area sa kabilang road po yan. No? Kala nga namin heto yun eh. So it's a blessing talaga kasi itong nilalakaran namin ngayon walang snow. As you can see, wala po siyang snow. Yeah. So again, kaya nang sinasabi namin, pag tumagal na po yung snow, nagiging, kung alam nyo po yung binibini natin ng mga black ice sa Pilipinas, ganun din. Dahil snow siya, pag tumagal siya ng mga ilang araw, 3 days, 4 days, ayan, matigas na. Para siyang espalto, mas matigas pa sa espalto. Ang kagandahan nga dito sa Calgary, merong Chinook. So, Kung kahapon ay mga -5, -6, kaya niyang mag-positive kinaumagahan kasi yung warm na weather dito sa Calgary, may tinatawag talaga silang Chinook. Kakaiba yung Chinook.
It's the wind that comes from the Pacific Ocean into the Rocky Mountains.
Sabi ko sa inyo, basta scientific, si Amulek yun eh. Yan, si Amulek scientific, no? So, we are so happy. The whole year, no? More than a year. So, halos 2 years that we are going to the temple, walking every week. And dito, so, ayan, no? So, again, sa lahat ng nakasama namin sa aming journey dito po sa Calgary, we love you and we thank you so much. Maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. You will be forever treasured po sa buhay namin, right?
Yeah.
Kayo po yung mga treasures namin.
We love your support and
Yeah.
kindness and love towards our family.
Sabi nga namin, kayo po ang naging kamay ng Diyos sa buhay namin. Kayo pong lahat sa aming family, friends, and church friends. Lahat po kayo family sa amin. Family ng Family Matters for time and all eternity. And thank you again. Maraming salamat. No words can express aming pasasalamat po sa inyong lahat. So actually, itong nilalakad namin, it took us around mga 6 minutes ba sa sakayan namin. So from Silverton to Belmont.
It depends on the weather.
Yeah. Sabi nga namin sana magkaroon ng stop doon sa may Silverton kasi dahil new community po itong sa amin sa Silverton and to Belmont. Dito sa Belmont meron na pero sa amin wala pa pong bus stop. Yan. So sometimes pag ganito ang walk namin, 8 minutes. Basta ganito kabagal yung walk namin. No? Yan. Pero ang kagandahan guys, it's our family date. Every week, every Saturday, it's our family date. And it's so good kasi nga, going to the temple parati namin sinasabi, it helps you yung less, yung desire nyo sa world, right? Sa material things.
Yeah.
Yeah. And you choose to have a simpler life.
You prioritize what's important.
Yes, that's the perfect words. Right, so eto na po yung nilalakad namin na bus stop. So ganito po yung bus stop dito. Ayan. So may nakalagay na number, nakalagay po doon, no? Number 78. So only number 78 na bus ang dumadaan po dito. So as you can see, yan, no? May snow pa. Yan.
This is a good weather.
Yeah. Perfect weather. Yeah. Sabi nga nila may phenomenon ba ngayon, Mami, sa Philippines?
Until August, it will be cold.
Yeah. So hopefully yung weather sa amin for us sa Philippines ay maging it will be nicer, right?
Okay. For us.
Okay guys, see you again later. We will wait for the bus. Okay. Yahoo! Okay guys, pasok na, Mami. Oh, group pass. Group pass. Good morning. So guys, we're here inside the bus. Pupunta muna kami ng Dalarama. And guys, ganito ang bus pag morning dito sa Calgary. So para siyang small mini bus. Ayan. And then after that, siguro mga 8 o'clock. Ay, hindi pala pag Saturday and Sunday pala small talaga ang gamit dito sa area namin. Kasi kokonti lang naman yung lumalabas pag Saturday. But pag regular days na Monday to Friday na may work yung mga tao at school, pag early morning, kasi ang pinaka first bus ay nasa around 6 or 5 a.m. So small yung bus muna. Tapos mga around 7 o'clock, mapapalitan na siya ng big bus, yung malaking bus, yung parang kwartas sa atin, no? And lahat po ng mga buses dito guys ay automatic ang gamit. And merong mga hybrid, gas, at yung diesel ay yung mga truck lang. So we'll go sa Dalarama muna. We'll buy merienda or probably breakfast para hindi magutom yung mga maghihintay mamaya kasi it will take more than an hour pag naghintay si Amilek at saka si Serena. So guys, dito yung mga bus lahat ay meron siyang yan, button. Yep. Yan, so mag-appear doon. Stop request. Kita nyo yan guys.
Zoom in.
Yan, yung stop request. Yan. So may stop request. Ayan. Alright, so pupunta kami ng Dalarama. Yan, yan yung Walmart. So dyan kami sa Dalarama ngayon.
What's up guys and welcome to my vlog. Today we're going to Dalarama.
Hi vlog, welcome to
Oh
you
yeah,
guys.
hi vlog and welcome to my guys. Today we're going to Dalarama.
So yan guys, yung bus na sinasabi ko malalaki. Tapos may mga nakasulat, yun na 14 Cranston. So papunta yan sa Cranston. At pwede kang bumaba basta madadaanan yan, no? May nakalagay kasi na
You
numbers.
can walk now.
Okay, let's go.
Alright.
Yo, dito kami sa Dalarama.
Huh?
Yan. Punta. Okay guys. Picture. So guys, ayan, Dalarama pupunta kami.
Let's go. Cause I'm full.
Okay, let's go.
When the Philippines, you can always see the purple sunset.
Mm.
Here you can't see the purple
Bumili tayo ng
sunset.
chicken sa may lalakay. Lalamig.
Let's see. Okay. Okay.
Ah,
So guys, we'll just buy simple things today, okay? Kasi
What are you gonna buy?
let's tipid-tipid, okay? I mean, let's tipid-tipid for the budget. Guys, tipid tayo. Ganito guys, ang grocery dito. Yan. And we're going to Tim Hortons. Actually, pagkasama nga sa isang building ang Wendy's and Tim Hortons. So check namin kung ano yung pwede namin kunin for breakfast. Yan. Alright. Okay guys, go. Let's check. Check sa Wendy's kung ano yung pwedeng breakfast.
Go to Wendy's.
Yeah.
Yeah!
How about this one? How much is that? Taas mo. Taas, taas. Up. Oh yeah, that one. That one is good. Simple sausage. Are you?
$6,
6.36.
25.
Huh? Sausage, yeah. You want?
It's not good, bigger.
That's good.
Bigger is not good.
What do you want? And then they say ayaw niya yan, ayaw nila yan. So what do you want, guys? How about the other one?
Is the one that they serve.
Okay, sige, let's check the other one there. This one, give it to mom. Mahaba yan, Amolek. Mahaba. Guys, yan yung cargo train. Actually, yung train na yan pumupunta pa sa US, guys. Yan. According to one of our friends na hanggang Alaska daw nakakarating yan. I don't know if it's true. Pero yan yung cargo train. Lahat nandyan ng mga products.
If I ever get lost, I'm gonna jump on the train and run.
Yeah. At yan guys, dumadaan yan sa bahay namin. Sa likod ng bahay. And it's really a good view. Naalala namin yung Home Alone, the realist. Grabe, sabi ko nga guys last time, 3 station yan. Ganun kahaba guys. 3 station. Sometimes aabot yan na 5 to 10 minutes. Ganun kahaba. Haba ng train guys, oh. Sobrang haba. May nangihila ng mga bagon at meron din nagtutulak yan. Ayan, tapos na siya. Ito yung last na bagon niya kasi I think diesel power yata ito eh. Guys, oh, yung last. Ayan yung last. That's the last. Alright guys, yan yung Tuscany Red Line. Yan. So we'll go on the first guys, dyan sa first. Go, let's go. The first. Oh,
Oh. How did you know?
Please remember to take all your personal belongings when leaving the train. Thank you for choosing Calgary Transit.
final station, Tuscany. That's the temple there. Finally, we're here. So, today will be our last ride sa train. Right? Going to the temple. Ito yung last ride namin. That's the temple. Dito na tayo sa last. Ito po yung pinaka-last na station. From Bridlewood, Somerset to Tuscany. So, end of line. Alright. Right, let's go.
It's more windy here because it's the north.
Yes. Mas windy talaga dito guys kasi mas pataas. Amulak. Faster than for Amulak. Seniors, go to elevator. Masakit sa paa.
It's our farm.
Is it? Is our farm Is it? Ba tayo one?
No,
Hindi ano ah.
I tell it when to close.
Okay, sara yata ito.
No.
No, I tell it when to close.
It's broken. Okay, I'm gonna tell it
Oh,
when it's
it's
closed.
Let's go on the other side. Sakit. Other side. Okay?
Does it work? I'm like, what's right?
All along. Alright? Can you...
I'm
Can
just
you...
expecting it to I am hungry.
Told you, we have food. Okay?
Second floor.
If I look short.
Okay, 158. Go. Woo! So cold! So this is our last
Look at the mountains.
bus.
Look at the mountains. That's the Rocky Mountains.
Last
We go straight to
day
Utah.
to ride a bus going to the temple for this year before going home sa Philippines. So pwede kaming sumakay ng 158, 169, or 115. Ayan. So 158, Royal Oak. Our last temple trip, guys, as a family. It's our last here in Calgary. So guys, stop there. Family picture. Alright. Again, this is our last temple trip here in Calgary, Alberta Temple. We will be attending the Alabang Temple dedication. Wow. Guys, napakaganda ng weather ngayon. Again, hindi siya malamig. Gaano? Di siya gaano malamig. Kasi, guys, kaya namin walang gloves, oh. Right?
It feels like when you finish taking a bath,
Yeah.
and you just went out of the shower, and that cold breeze.
So guys, oh, yun yung snow.
Yeah, we really.
Baking area.
Right. Ayun oh, guys, yung mountain no. Meron ng snow yung Olympic area. Diyan yung
It's still snowing.
okay. Mamimiss natin ang Calgary. We're done with our last baptism for the dead. Yeah, we're done. Finally. Ito na po
Now
yung
we're going to.
their endowment.
Yeah.
Yes.
So this weather can be in the Philippines.
Yeah, hopefully, right? So, we will go sa...
If it's windy, if you wet yourself.
Yan.
Yeah, this is the
So, really happy na natapos. Actually, maganda ngayon kasi ang dami talagang mga bagong youth. Kaya punong-puno kanina yung waiting area. Right? Guys, finally, ayun
We're
na.
done.
We're done with the endowment. Yan, si Sarah nandoon sa sasakyan ni Flora May. Kasama si tito nila, si PJ.
And here's the
family.
newly endowed.
Ayan, si Amon. So, we're done with the endowment and thank you so much sa mga umattend, mga friends namin, families. Thank you po, thank you. So, we'll go with Ate Grace right now.
bags.
We